Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to log out Ideogram account. So if you also want to log out Ideogram account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Type in ideogram.ai, press enter. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Ideogram. Make sure you're logged into your account. So Ideogram AI helps you to create realistic images, poster, logos, etc. Initially you'll be in the home interface. From this interface you'll be able to explore the images created by others. You can also create the image of your own. So if you want to log out of your account, it is very simple. All you have to do is look at left. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for home, creations, canvas. At bottom, you'll be able to find several icons over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find 3 lines. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to see several options over here. You'll be able to see your username and email over here. Also, you'll be able to find the option for upgrade plan. Simply click on the logout option that you can see at last. Now you can see over here you'll be logged out of your account. So that is how you log out Ideogram account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.